How to activate Bank of America card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can activate Bank of America card. For this, you first of all want to open up any web browser. Now you want to search for Bank of America. Then click on this website, which is bankofamerica.com. Once you're over here, you first of all want to log into your account. For that, tap on the login option and then tap on continue to log in. Now you will have to enter your user ID and password. Once you have entered these details, tap on the login option. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on forgot ID/password option. Once you have been logged in, you want to click on the option of activate card. Click on the card that you want to activate, whether it is a credit or debit card in the menu. Then you will have to enter the required information such as your card number, expiration date, and the CVV number which is available on the back of your card. After providing the necessary details, submit the activation request. Then your card should be activated shortly afterward. You can also opt for phone activation by dialing the number provided on the sticker attached to your new card or on the Bank of America website. Then you want to follow the automated instructions. After the verification, your card will be activated. You can also download the mobile application of Bank of America and then use the application to activate your card as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.